Hello there and welcome. In previous session, we created uh, track track related routes and controllers creating and getting list of tracks. Now in this session we will create search track and edit the track or update the track. So let's go to our controller. Here below list album track. In this search track controller, we are getting first I'm getting the search query from query parameters and page and limit from query parameter 2. Here, if search query is empty, then returning a 400 response, and then we are finding the track which has the regex pattern matching with search query, title regex pattern matching with search query, and selecting title, singer, and thumbnail only. Because in search we only required to show fewer data, not all data we require to uh, show the user. So along with limit and skip, now same as count as previous before, and returning the paginated result of search track. Here is the controller to update a track. We are getting track ID before as track ID from as a request parameter, and data from request body, and checking if the track ID is present or not. And based on that, we are finding the track and updating the data and returning the latest updated data to the user response like this. Track route for search. I'm using get because the query parameter and limits and all the parameters will be gone in a query parameter, so get will work fine. And to update, I'm using put request with track ID as a uh, uh, parameter, search parameter. So let's test this route. Here is that. Here what we are doing is hitting the this endpoint with put request, and this is a track track ID. So let me find the latest track ID by running this, and we are getting this response. So here let us update new era music. So for that I'm passing it the URL of this. Now we got now hitting the URL, we got the success response as title is updated and everything is same as before. So this is working properly. Now let us add search track based on test. Now let us see let us search for the tracks which has uh, which has test in their titles. So we got only one which has test track one. Now let us change test to era, and we got only one. And let's say we have new these two. This is also we got only one.